I am no leader if I don't have a team working with me. So I think we've got to acknowledge the efforts that people put and the efforts that everyone goes through seamlessly to make you the so-called leader. I believe in what we call transformational leadership, right? And it's the new thing that it's a different style of leadership. And what is transformational leadership, HD? Transformational leadership is to identify the people, give them a vision, make them passionate enough to go and deliver that vision, and in the process you're called as a transformational leader because you've turned everything around. So I think a leader walks away with a lot of credit, and due credit is not given to the team behind the leader. So first and foremost, you've got to be transparent and you've got to acknowledge the efforts of that. Stop making excuses. Working hard, working smart, being a workaholic is something that comes natural to everyone. But I think these are a few traits. I won't talk about honesty, I won't talk about integrity, because these are core elements and values of everyone in their day-to-day life. But I think things like being transparent, having an open communication, trying a pat on the shoulder really goes a long way. Everything else, in my opinion, really follows. These are very, simple traits that I have followed, given to me by my, by my parents. And I told you, and I'm not shy to say that we come from a very, very humble background. So they will not talk to you about how to make money. They will not talk to you about, what should be the next position if you're a CEO, because they don't understand. I think for them, there is nothing beyond a manager. I still remember this when I became the CEO, the group CEO of Dubai Islamic Bank, first Islamic bank in the world. I'll take this opportunity to even market my brand, right? First Islamic bank in the world. I made this call back home. My mom picks up the phone. She's old now, so I said, "Mommy, I became the CEO of the first Islamic bank in the world." She does not understand between Islamic finance and conventional. So my mom said, "Is it really? Okay, you sound very happy." I said, "Yeah, but it's very challenging, Mom. I became the CEO." She said, okay, no problem, you'll do well. Please tell me when you become the manager." Right? So that's the social background, that's the family background that we came from. So I think they will not teach you how to make money, or they will not teach you, what positions you should aspire to get, but they'll teach you things about being transparent, being true to yourself. And I think here I am, risen fast, not risen fast, I'm not sure. You guys have a clock in your hands. I am doing what I'm doing, and I am here today not because it makes me popular or it publicizes UHD. You and me, we have the same agenda, which is to try and spread the word, to try and make more leaders than followers, and hopefully by the end of this session, I'll miss the punting, I'll miss the biryani that Sofisa was referring to, but hopefully I would have made an impact on somebody's life.
Excellent, that's very good.